How's the texture, Lisa?
Good.
It's good? How do you like the texture? It's good.
So what's in this, Will?
What is in it? Chef Will, what is in it?
It's poke, right?
You like to poke the balls, Will?
Avocado and masago.
I want to smush it though.
Time to zoom in. Oh, it's a...
Merry Christmas!
That's food porn. That's food porn.
What do you have?
That's food porn.
Oh my goodness!
Okay. That would be cute. Keep presentation. Oh, crap, I messed it up.
Truffle oil now.
That's good.
Yeah.
Just a dab of it.
No, Greg.
Why truffle oil?
Oh. Wait. Why truffle?
Watch yourself, guys. Be careful.
Hey,
You know
watch
what would
out.
be cute if you just kind of let it half open like that. If I didn't cut it all the way, then you could just like put the line and the mayo and the masago in there.
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Oh, that's enough.
Oh! Sorry, I love truffle oil. I got excited.
I tripped it on.
It's beautiful, Greg.
All right.
Good job,
Try it,
team.
Will.
Good job.
Good job, good job.
Will,
Oh, yeah.
try it.
No, go ahead.
Sweating.
You guys try it first. Go ahead.
I'll take a bite.
Go ahead, try it.
Go.
Try it.